Hello student. Today we are going to see the new chapter, that is chapter number 7, probability distribution. In the previous video we have finished with the chapter differential equation. Exercise 6.6 we have seen, where we have seen the application of differential equation, that how differential equation is useful in real life. There we have seen the examples on bacteria and population and on Newton's cooling law. That type of real life application we have seen in the differential equation chapter. So today we are going to start with the new chapter number 7, probability distribution. You already know what is the probability. Probability means the possibility. Now, what is possibility? The possibility means chances. So there might be chances of getting some positive things, some negative things, right? For example, in your school time or in your previous academic year, you have seen, or you might have been seeing, that probability means the chances of getting some event or possibility of getting some events. In that, you might have seen so many types of example, like example on coin, example on cards, example on dice, like that example you have seen. Okay, so let's start with the introduction with this chapter, and we'll see the previous knowledge of this chapter. We'll revise it and then we'll start with our actual chapter. Okay, so in this video we are going to see only introduction and the previous knowledge of this chapter. Okay, so let's start with first point in this chapter is introduction. Introduction में first we start with the probability. Okay, probability is nothing but the possibilities. Probability is nothing but the possibilities. So possibility of some outcome or possibility of some event that is given in this. For example, a coin. A coin is, this is an example. A coin is tossed, or we can say a fair coin is tossed. A fair coin is tossed. What is the probability? What is the probability, or what is the possibility? What is the probability of getting head? Okay, your question is a fair coin. Fair coin means the coin which has head and tail both the sides. Okay, a fair coin is tossed. What is the probability of getting head? We know a coin has two sides. Suppose this is coin, one side head and another side is tail. A coin has two sides, head and tail. Okay, so head and tail mein, this is called fair coin because one head and one tail, that coin is fair coin. Now they say a fair coin is tossed. What is the probability of getting head? See, if you toss any coin, see what you will get. You will get either head or you will get tail. Right? These are two possibilities are there. So what I will do, I will write a possibility. Okay, that possibility I will write as a set. So my first possibility would be head or it would be tail. Okay, so how many elements are there in this cursive bracket set? They have two elements, H and T. So number of elements in set S, that is known as N of S. Number of elements in the set S is N of S. We have 2. Correct? Now we got this N of S. Now they say, what is the probability of getting head? And we want probability of getting head, right? So I want probability of what? Suppose that event go. See, I'll write that event P of x, right? So P of x and this n of s, these two information I have. P of x I have to find. In the P of x, in the denominator you will write total outcome. What you will write? Total outcome. And here you will write this n of x. N of x means number of events you are getting. So how many times you are getting here? Only one time you are getting here. So this is your n of 1. N of x you write 1. And n of s means n of s the value 2. So probability of getting x means getting head. So probability of getting head is 1 by 2. Correct? Probability of getting head you are getting 1 by 2. So can you calculate what is the probability of getting tail? Okay, see, tail is also we are getting 1 by 2. So probability of getting tail is also 1 by 2, right? So here, what we can conclude here? Here we can conclude if this probability of getting head is 1 by 2 and probability of getting tail is also 1 by 2. If you add both the probability, you will get 1. Correct? It means this half plus half, you will get 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. So what we can conclude from here? Sum of all the probability is always 1. Probability will never extend 1. Probability will never less than 0. So every probability is lying between 0 to 1. Always. This is the rule of probability. Probability will never extend 1. If you are getting probability more than 1, then you are wrong. Okay? If you are getting probability less than 0 means if you are getting negative, then also you are wrong. Right? So probability will always lie between 0 to 1. It will never extend 1. It will never go down to 0. Okay? This is the rule of probability. Now here we talk only one point. Okay? But if I toss 2 coins at the same time, 2 coin toss, what is probability? What is probability of getting at least one head? What they said? 2 coins are tossed. Then what is the probability of getting head? What I'll do, I'll toss 2 coins here. See, if I toss 2 coins at the same time, is it possible I'll get 2 times head? Yes, both coins I am getting head. Is it possible 1 head and 1 tail I'll get? Similarly, I'll get 1 tail and 1 edge. And last is both tail are also possible. These are the outcomes here, these are the possibilities here, right? If I toss 2 coins, so n of s become how much? 4. So total outcome I have 4. So that I can write in the denominator, right? What is the what we have to find probability of getting? So x I write. Probability of getting at least one head. Probability of getting at least one head. Okay. So probability of getting head. So we are calculating P of x. So P of x when we have to write this, but n of s, मतलब denominator तो we got already 4. But what they said, probability of getting at least one head. So observe this events and check whether you are getting at least one head. It could be more than one head, but at least one head do you require. So at least one head is here, at least one is here, and at least one is here. There are 2 heads, but we have to consider minimum 1. Maximum it could be anything, it could be 2. But minimum we want 1, maximum we can take 2. So 1, 2, 3. 3 cases we are getting at least one head, right? So we have to write numerator by. This is the answer. Probability of getting at least one head. If you toss 2 coins, their probability is 3 by 4. Okay, so this is the if you toss one coin, if you toss two coin. Okay, but what happen if you toss the coin three times? Okay, what happen if you toss the coin three times? Toss coin three times. Okay, and you have to find probability of getting exactly two tails. Probability of getting exactly two tails. Okay, if you are tossing a coin three times. Okay, see, if you toss that coin now, is it possible you will get all three times there? Yes, it is possible. It is possible, no? You will get all three times there. Is it possible first two times you will get head, second time, the last time you will get head? Yes, it is possible. Is it possible first edge, then tail, then edge? It is possible. Sometimes you will get first tail, then other rest is edge. That is also possible. Is it possible? Then T and T tail also you will get. Yes, it is possible. Then, is it possible you will get H, then both are the last? It is also possible. Then, is it possible THT? No, THT already there. TTT is there. Okay, one more we left. TTH, have you taken TTH? Not yet. TTH is also there. These are, you can see, these are 8 outcomes here. 10 of us we got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 outcomes. These are total 8 outcomes we have. But what they asked to find the probability? They said, find the probability of getting exactly 2 times tails. Okay? So we are finding the probability of that x. This is suppose x is your event. Probability of getting denominator, so we are going to write 8 because n of s we always write in the denominator. But what we have to find probability of getting exactly 2 times tail. Exactly 2 tails. So exactly 2 tail, in how many cases we have? 1, 2 and 3. 3 cases. Why we are not taking this 3? What is the word? Exactly. Exactly means not less than 2, not greater than 2. We want exactly 2 times tail. So exactly 2 times tail you are getting in 3 scenarios, in 3 cases. THT, HTT and TTH. In these 3 cases we are getting exactly 2 times T. So you will write that 3 here in the numerator and denominator you will write 8. Okay? So probability of getting exactly 2 times tail, it is how much it is? It is 3 by 8. Correct? Now one more sample trick of same thing. Suppose there is a dice. Okay. This is the dice. Okay. We know a dice has 6 faces. Okay. So that 6 faces are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. The dice has 6 faces. Okay. So you got n of s ka value 6. Now my question is, what if you throw a dice? If you throw a dice one time, what is the probability of getting 5 on its uppermost face? Okay, I'll write the question. If the dice thrown one time, what is probability? What is probability of getting getting 5 on its uppermost face. What is the probability of getting 5 on its uppermost face? See, if you are throwing a dice on uppermost face, you are getting only one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any one or 6. So, if this is your x given, then n of s would be always write 6 in the denominator. If you are throwing a dice at one time, then it is possible only one time you will get that 5 or 6 or 1, 2, 3. For any number you will get, it is exactly one time. So, their probability becomes 1. So, this is the probability of getting 5 on if you throw the dice one time. Okay, so this is the introduction part of this chapter. In the next video, we will continue with the actual chapter. Okay, thank you.